Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this one pot meal? Butter, onion and garlic, turkey, carrots, potatoes, courgettes, tomato, oregano, powdered onion, black pepper, seasoning, spices for potato. I added paprika, rosemary and salt. I will stir and mix together. For those of you always coming to watch my videos, comment on my videos, like my videos, keep commenting, keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep watching. May the good Lord bless you all. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you will be notified. I added eggplant and I'll give it a good mix. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Help me to share this video, guys, so that other people can watch it. This meal is easy as ABC. If you don't want to stay long on the kitchen, this meal is a go. So I covered and cooked for a while. I added my green bell peppers. I'll give it a good mix. This recipe can be enjoyed by everyone, kids, adults. It's as easy as you are seeing. So I'll cover and I like to cook for a while. So it is ready. Enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye.